In this quick tutorial video, let's learn how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. If your shuffle is turned on Spotify and if the songs don't play one after another, let me show you how you can turn off shuffle and play all those songs in a line. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open up your web browsers and let's head over to the website of Spotify, which is open.spotify.com, and log into your Spotify account. Once you're logged in, just play any song from your playlist or from any mixes. Now once you play the song, you will have this shuffle option right here. You just need to click on this option and you can disable or enable shuffle from this option. If it is green, it means that shuffle is on, and if you click on it and if it becomes gray or white, the shuffle is disabled. But however, if you're using the app of Spotify and you have the free version of Spotify, you won't be able to turn off shuffle. Shuffle has been removed from the app of Spotify for the free users. Only if you are the premium user of Spotify, you'd be still able to turn off shuffle on your mobile app as well. So to do that, you'll have this similar icon. When you open up any song, you just need to tap on this icon and you can either turn on or turn off shuffle on your Spotify. Whether you play any kinds of mix or playlist that you've created, you will have the option of turning on or turning off shuffle. But like I said, it is not available for free users if you're using the mobile app. You can only turn on or turn off shuffle by using the website of Spotify on your desktops. So that was the video on how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. I hope I could help you out with this. If this video did help you out, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.